Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that how to buy and sell Taco token. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can buy and sell this token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. If you want to buy this token on centralized exchanges, then click on CEX. Here you can buy and sell this token on different centralized exchanges. Now I will buy and sell this token on this centralized exchanges. Here firstly you need to log in or register your account. Then you can start buying and selling this token. So if you want to buy and sell this token on decentralized exchanges, then click on DEX. Here you can buy and sell this token on different decentralized exchanges. Now I will buy and sell this token on this decentralized exchanges. Then click on this pair and click on this. Now here firstly you need to connect your wallet from this exchange. Now click on connect wallet. Here you can connect different type of wallet, or you can also connect your mobile wallet to scan this QR code. After connect wallet, then you need to receive or buy BNB in your wallet, and here you will enter number of BNB coin that you have, and finally you will confirm the transactions. Then you will receive this token in your wallet. And if you want to sell this token on this decentralized exchanges, then click on this arrow, and again you need to connect your wallet or mobile wallet from this exchange, and here you will enter number of tokens that you have, and finally you will confirm the transaction. Then you will receive BNB in your wallet in exchange of this token. So in this way you can buy and sell this token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So guys, in this video I have only shared technical process about buying, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.